Simplify. Do not use negative exponents in the answer. Negative 5, x to the negative 1, y cubed, that quantity cubed. Well, when we have a product then raised to a power, the power applies to each of the factors. So this would be negative 5 cubed, and then x to the negative 1 cubed, and then y cubed cubed. This, of course, means negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5, which gives us negative 125. When we raise an exponential expression to a power, we multiply the powers together. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3, so we get x raised to the negative 3. Again, we multiply those powers. 3 times 3 is 9, so we get y to the 9th power. We may not leave negative exponents in our answer, and therefore we would write this as negative and then the quotient 125 y to the 9th over x cubed.